I'm going to show you today what a savvy real estate investor does to add value to their property and how you can do the same. Let's dive into it.
Welcome to the Smack Fest, the beat down. The SWAT team is here on another beautiful day of shutting the week down.
Hey guys, my name is William Dauria. I am a full-time real estate investor. I started in 2018. I have a portfolio of about 20 units now, and I buy and hold solely for passive income through rental properties. This channel is all about that. If you're interested in financial freedom way before your peers, then consider subscribing to this channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. I make several videos per week. So I recently bought a big property. Now when I bought it, it was a 5-bedroom house, and when I first looked at it, it was basically, I was running my numbers on a 5-bedroom house. But I want to show you what I did so you can also not only think outside the box, but you can add massive value to the properties that you buy. And the outside of the box one is really outside the box, guys, and I want to show you some cool examples. So the first one, when I walked in, I was counting the bedrooms. Very important when you're buying from a wholesaler, especially, to count the bedrooms. So one time I bought a 3-bedroom house. I went in there and I was like, wait, how many? I just walked through a lot of bedrooms and I was counting 1, 2, 3. There was 5 bedrooms in this house, and the wholesaler told me there was 3. It was an out-of-state wholesaler. I got a really good deal on the house. Okay, so we're backing up a little bit. So I got this house and I was counting the bedrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like there should be. Except for, I walked upstairs and I realized that the small game room it looked like it was an option at the time when they bought the house, and it looks just like this. It looks like it could have been very easily a 6-bedroom house because there is an AC vent already there. There's a closet already there. There's an openable window already there. It literally is missing a wall and a door. That is it. This right here is actually a wall that we added. So it'll look just like the 7-bedroom will have a wall just similar to this. You will not be able to tell that it was ever there. And then this is the average size bedroom, I would say. You have a fan there, closet as well. Like I said, this is the wall that we added. And I said, wait a second, you're telling me all I have to do is close this thing off and bam, I got a 6-bedroom house. And because I'm using the Section 8 program, I then took my rent from $4,000 a month to $4,500 a month. And then I thought I had done really good, except for once we had almost got this property done. As of this video, we're about 2 weeks away from getting this property done. However, the downstairs, look at this, guys. This right here is a picture of the ridiculous formal living room. It is so massive, it doesn't even make sense. So when I was looking at it, we started busting out the tape measure and we're saying, okay, so how big typically is a formal living room, or formal dining room, I should say. And if we were to put a wall here, for instance, would it be small or would it be normal? And we were looking at the math and we go, if that wall was there, this formal living room would still, formal dining room, sorry, would still be considered normal. So this is what I did. I said, this right here could be our 16 by 14 media room slash office slash 7th bedroom, because I got lucky again, maybe. It's got AC right there and we'll be enclosing it. And the other side has another vent as well. It does not have a closet, so I'll have to build a closet. Luckily, there's that little nook around the corner, so a closet goes there perfectly. And then it's got a window and it's openable as well. That's a requirement from the Section 8. This right here is going to be from this right here, we're going to get a wall. We're going to put double doors here. This is going to be the media room slash 7th bedroom slash office. This is going to be and retain still your formal. So it brought my rentable value from $4,000 to $4,500, adding the bedroom upstairs, and then from $4,500 to $5,000 a month by adding the 7th bedroom downstairs. And I'm going to do those nice French glass doors, the double opening doors with those like blinds on the inside of the glass, you know, so they can't really get messed up. And you can open and close it for privacy or whatever, right? To make an awesome media room, office, or like I said, you could use it as a 7-bedroom. But This is thinking outside the box. When the average person just walks in here, even the average investor, I did not even consider or think that it would be an option until I had a seven bedroom voucher person come to me on the Section 8 program. It's like, hey, I'm looking for a 7-bedroom house. Do you have one? And I'm like, well, no. And I started looking into that corner and I looked at my guy and my guy was like, I see what you're thinking. I go, well, hold on. Let's bust out the tape measure. Let's make sure this makes sense. I don't want to build like a 6x4 room. That wouldn't fly. You know, so once we actually figured out this does make sense, and it's not going to be like awkwardly weird. It's not like a garage conversion or something that can fly sometimes, but this is the cool part. Not only did it raise the rentable value, not only can you raise the rentable value, but all of a sudden now, I looked at my comps, the after repair value on these houses, and instead of being like 440, give or take, I pushed my ARV potentially into the mid fives, like 525 to 550, based off of 7-bedroom houses with offices or media rooms in that surrounding area. It is bonkers what you can do when you really think outside the box, guys. And this video is to get you to walk into your next investment property and look around and say, hey, is there a room that's not literally considered a bedroom that could easily be considered a bedroom? And by you seeing that and nobody else even looking in that direction, all of a sudden you're looking at 4-bedroom comps instead of 3-bedroom comps, or a 3-bedroom comp instead of a 2-bedroom comp, and all of a sudden your numbers make a lot more sense because you see the true value in that property, guys. Guys, smash that like button if you got any useful information out of this whatsoever. I wanted to share this with you because I am super stoked, and I'll share the build pictures with you guys as well and do like a final walkthrough of like before and after. So make sure you stick around. If you guys got any questions, let me know below, and I will see you on the next one.